with Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Oh, she's beautiful and she's nice, Christie Campbell. Okay, and the last line is a little bit more complicated. So, Caimir, Girach, ounce and really E, Skincha, ounce and downs E. You probably recognize this word, yeah, which is dance. Yeah. Caimir means neat and Girach means straight. Okay, so there are two adjectives. So Caimir, Girach. Ounce means in, and really means real. Okay. E means she. Okay, and then we only have one other word. Kinchach means sure. Sure. Kinchach. Caimir, Girach. Ounce and really. Kinchach. Ounce and downs. E. Okay. She is neat and straight in the reel and sure in the dance. So she's good at dancing. Just to say that she's good at dancing. Okay. On to the second verse. Okay. So this is the first, second, and the third line. Sma len I vi chin gan vale. Sma len I vi chin gan vale. So ma means good, len means to us, I, she, we, to be, chin, we already had this word come in, gan, to, and vale is village. And then that's her name, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. So it is good of her to come to our village. Okay. And she's beautiful, nice, good at dancing. So they are all happy. Okay, I'll go over Gaelic again. Sma len I vi chin gan vale Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Okay, and then the last line. Okay, quite long. So the second verse is a bit longer, right? A bit more words. So ni shin keli, you probably know this word. Avis evin, bi I heen, torst around gain. So ni shin keli, avis evin, bi I heen, torst around gain. Okay, so ni means will do. So shin means we. Kelly, you know this word. Kelly is Kelly. This, that will be. Even means fun. We will make a nice fun Kelly. Is Agus, and be will be. I, she, in herself. Torst, give. Round, verse, and gain for us. Okay, so let's look look at the translation. We will have a fun Kelly, and she herself will give us a verse, meaning song. Yeah, so she will sing. So she's good. She's not just good at dancing. She's good at singing too. So okay, let's go over Gaelic once more. Ní sin céili a bhís éireann sbí I chéin tost round rain. So here we have the whole chorus. So ha I chin an rat Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Ha I chin an rat Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Ha I chin an rat Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Cairistìona Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Okay. And then next. So verse 1. Ha I bóiach, ha I lech, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Ha I bóiach, ha I lech, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Ha I bóiach, ha I lech, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Scaimir díreach ans an bhfuil scínteach ans an daos I. Okay. And then verse 2. Sma léin I bhí sin gan bhaile Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Sma léin I bhí sin gan bhaile Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Sma léin I bhí sin gan bhaile Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Ní sin céili a bhís éireann sbí I chéin tost round rain. Okay. And I'll go back. We will use this when we start the actual singing, which we will start. Everybody okay? We can have a listen. So there are two versions. I usually, if I can provide you with more than one version, I usually do this. One of the versions, a better version, it comes from the School of Scottish Studies website. There you can hear words, but the only problem that the third verse is different. And we have a version of this on the Spotify playlist that some of you got the link to and some of you didn't. And there is a choir, and they are pretty quiet. So we have two versions of this song. It's not that terribly cool. Okay, so that's probably as much as we can do. So let's have a go. Hai chi nerenat Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Hai chi nerenat Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Hai chi nerenat Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Yeah, let's do again. Same speed, more or less. Okay. Hai chi nerenat Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Hai chi nerenat Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Hai chi nerenat Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Hey boya heilig, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Hey boya heilig, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Hey boya heilig, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Scream your jerry hands and read a skinch your hands and dancing. Okay. Once again. Hey boya heilig, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Hey boya heilig, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Hey boya heilig, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Scream your jerry hands and read a skinch your hands and dancing. Boya heilig, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Hey boya heilig, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Hey boya heilig, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Scream your cheer hounds and really skint your hounds and dancing. Even slower.
Do the line.
Really skint your hounds and dancing. Okay. Right. Are we ready to move on to the next verse? Probably needs to be even slower than that. Okay. Smiling, reaching and vale, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Smiling, reaching and vale, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Smiling, reaching and vale, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Snishin Kelia, savings begin to strong. Last line. Smiling, reaching and vale, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Smiling, reaching and vale, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Smiling, reaching and vale, Cairistìona Chaimbeul. Nishin Kelia, savings begin to strong. Nishin Kelia, savings begin to strong.